Welcome to Angela Barry's staunch 66 Chevelle. Get amongst this sneaky cool build. This was a surprise package when it rolled up. I've always liked the Chevelles. The old school muscle car shape of the 60s has that no-nonsense stance and attitude, complete with a growly old V8, big feet, loud exhaust, that scares the tree huggers and proudly states, "We drink dinosaurs." What I didn't realise here is that Angela has built herself a beast of a Chevelle. A 454 big block 4-speed slamming manual of a Chevelle. It's almost a sneaky little sleeper though, with its factory finish and stance. If you pulled up beside Angela at the lights, I'm pretty sure your response would be "What the?" when the lights turn green. You'd have to find your A-game to hurry, or indicate left. What I really love about these builds is the factory appearance. It's now a full-on muscle car with the SS interior right down to the factory bowtie radio still on the dash. The big steering wheel, it still retains the 60s muscle car vibe, and that's cool. The hearse badge on the rear tying the Hearse 4-speed shifter, identifying the performance models of the era. Under that big hood sits that tricked up 454, detailed just nicely with a polished aluminium inlet, air cleaner, rocker covers that take on the muscle theme, with the polished fins over the black finish, and that 454 sitting proud to make you smile. The MSD ignition system ready to shove a good spark down them leads, igniting that big block thump to expel via the headers to turn the tree huggers' heads. This is such a cool car to check out, so get amongst this.